We've got high pressure with us now, and it's going to stick around. Now, that high pressure is out towards the east at the moment. It's going to stay there over the next few days, keeping the low pressure systems at bay out towards the west, at least until Wednesday. But you can see tightly packed isobars here. It is going to be a windy week. That wind is making it feel raw, and it's going to stay with us right the way through until Wednesday. So today, temperatures reach around 3 to 6 degrees Celsius, but that really is not the whole story, because if you're out in that wind, it feels bitter. Add on the strength of the wind, and it feels more like around -4 to -6. And it's not being helped by the fact that there's an awful lot of cloud across the United Kingdom at the moment. It's gloomy in many places. That's making it feel even colder, but we're starting to see that cloud thin out towards the southeast now, and that cloud should continue to thin a little bit during the rest of the afternoon. A little bit of sunshine coming through across parts of the southeast, also in some western areas. But all the while, cloud will be thickening up towards the northwest, and eventually we'll see 1 or 2 drops of rain across parts of northwest Scotland and northwestern parts of Northern Ireland. So this evening we have that cloud, a little bit of rain up towards the northwest. Now, most of the rain will die out during the rest of the night, but it is going to stay quite cloudy. Meanwhile, the cloud breaks up across England and Wales, perhaps still a few patches of cloud drifting into some eastern and southern areas. But as the skies do clear, it is going to turn cold and frosty. A frostier night than last night. Temperatures down to -1 or -2 across parts of southeast Scotland, England and Wales, maybe even lower than that in 1 or 2 spots. But it should be frost-free up towards the northwest, where we keep hold of that cloud. So tomorrow, quite a cloudy start in some northwestern areas. Any rain left will soon die away. And then for many, it's a dry start, spells of sunshine, and that brighter weather should ease northwards as the day goes on. But again, tomorrow will feel cold despite any sunshine, a top temperature of 4 or 5 degrees, and there's still that brisk wind blowing. Then for Tuesday, most places again dry and fine, but cold after that frosty start. Then on Wednesday, a slight change in the wind direction, more of a southeasterly, so we could feed a bit more cloud into northeastern areas, perhaps even the odd drop of rain. But for most, it will be dry, sunny and cold again. So that's how things are looking out to Wednesday. Many places dry, spells of sunshine, feeling really cold in that wind, and there'll be some frost by night. And Thursday is our problem day as weather forecasters. There is a little bit of uncertainty as to what exactly is going to happen on Thursday, but at this stage it looks like there'll be more cloud, there'll be some rain at times across parts of Scotland, there'll also be some rain moving in across more southwestern areas, but by Friday that should be out of the way. The high pressure dominates again, so most places will again be dry with spells of sunshine to end the week, but by then we could have a few showers cropping up in some western areas. Well, that's how things are looking. Have a great afternoon and a great week, whatever